Yeah, this is number 4 right now.
Same character. She wants to pick Sea Viper. He, she, it, they want to pick Sea Viper.
And I'm choosing Fei Long, my favorite character. Why? I don't know. He's just fucking badass.
His new Ultra looks so goddamn sick. Have you seen Viper's new one?
I have to see it.
Yes, I have.
You've seen Viper's new one? Okay.
It was disturbing. And my friend Lombax just came online with Rings in Hell.
Nope. Okay, this guy officially sucks. Big balls.
Could it be a perfect?
Oh, it's a perfect.
Maybe. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Whoa. Stun gun.
Oh. Okay.
Time to get serious.
Hit your shin.
You in the shin.
Fuck your stilettos.
That's why you never wear high heels.
Never wear high heels. We'll fight.
You're weak because of your high heels. Take them off.
No, that was
nah, you know, but Viper's super mean if you know how to use her, though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she can be vicious.
Ouch.
Smash with the cash. Oh! Still got her.
You know what? I'm bringing this up again, dude. The guy that made up the the slang word MILF should be a freaking billionaire, dude. If you make a slang word and then a big game such as Street Fighter makes a character like pretty much based off your slang word, you should have made some money off of that.
You know what? I think this player is getting confused by all the different styles that he's having to fight.
Oh man, got her.
In your jaw.
Is that it?
That's it.
Split it up.
Hey, you need a light? No problem.
Need a light?
Okay, do you want to fight again?
Do you really want to do this again?
I don't know.
I'll play again.